I am Teacher Reza, your Science 4 teacher, and we also have here Chloe and Toby to be with us in our learning adventure. Are you ready, kids?
Yes, Teacher Reza. Good morning, kids.
Alright, let's begin our science adventure by singing a song entitled Components of Weather. The day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere at a certain place is what we call weather. Sunny, rainy, windy, cloudy, and stormy. Those are the weather that depends on the air. The changing weather is caused by its components: air pressure, temperature, humidity, and wind, precipitation, and cloud formation. These elements determine the weather condition. Did you enjoy the song, kids? Now, can you tell me what are these instruments?
Those are weather instruments, Teacher Reza.
Toby is right. Kids, let's learn the use of the common weather instruments. Teacher Reza, what is that one? That is a barometer. It measures air pressure. It tells you whether the pressure is rising or falling. A rising barometer means sunny or dry condition, while falling barometer means stormy or wet condition. Oh, that's how we use the barometer. How about that instrument? That weather instrument is a hygrometer. It measures the humidity. Humidity is one of the components of weather which tells the total of water vapor in the air. If there is a much of water vapor in the air, the humidity will be high. Teacher Reza, I know that one. That is a thermometer.
That's right, Chloe. Do you know what's the use of a thermometer?
Yes, Toby. A thermometer measures the hotness and coldness of the air. You're right, Chloe. Kids, there are factors affecting temperature, and that includes the time of the day and the time of the year. When there is no weather disturbance, temperature is high on a fine weather and low during rainy days. It can be measured using a thermometer with a measurement demonstrated in degrees Celsius. Look! It moves!
That one is a wind vane, Chloe. Kids, wind vane is used to tell where the wind is coming from and where it is going. The arrowheads points for where the wind is from, and the arrow tails tell where the wind is going.
Toby is right. Kids, for example, if the arrowhead points north, the wind is from the north, and the wind is going to the opposite direction, which is the south. Teacher Reza, how about that one? That one is called an anemometer. Kids, anemometer is an instrument that measures the speed of the wind. The faster the cups of the anemometer move, the stronger the wind. The speed of the wind is measured as kilometer per hour. Look at that! It looks like a container that collects the raindrops.
You're right, Chloe. Kids, that is a rain gauge. It collects the raindrops to measure the amount of rain that has fallen over a specific time.
Rain can be measured using a rain gauge, and it is measured through millimeter or centimeter.
So, as we discussed, what are the common weather instruments that are used to measure the different weather components? Can you answer my question, Chloe?
Yes, I can, Toby. The common weather instruments are barometer, hygrometer, thermometer, wind vane, anemometer, and rain gauge. Very good, Chloe. Did you know, kids, that weather instruments allow meteorologists the ability to analyze and evaluate the data collected? This data not only details weather over time, but it helps to predict future weather patterns. What is meteorologist? A meteorologist is a specialized scientist who focuses on some aspect of the atmosphere and who uses scientific principles to observe, understand, and be able to explain or forecast how the Earth's atmosphere affect the Earth and everyone on it. What is this?
This is a weather chart. Kids, the weather chart will help you know the weather conditions of a specific place in a specific day or time.
Toby is right. Kids, do you want to learn more about weather chart? I know that like me, kids want to learn more too. Alright, let's go to our Google Meet classroom and discuss the different weather components in a weather chart. Let us study the weather chart in the screen. What are the weather elements presented in the chart? May I answer? Yes, you may, Chloe. The elements presented in the chart are temperature, wind speed, wind direction, and sky condition. Very good, Chloe. How will you describe the weather condition in Caloocan City? Caloocan City has a temperature of 30 degrees Celsius with moderate wind speed, east wind direction, and a cloudy sky condition. That's right, Chloe. How about the weather condition in Tagaytay City? Toby, can you tell us?
Yes, Teacher Reza. Tagaytay City has a temperature of 26 degrees Celsius, with average wind speed, southeast wind direction, and partly cloudy condition.
Very good, Chloe and Toby. Kids, weather charts describe weather components that determine the weather condition at any time. Weather conditions differ from place to place and changes any time of the day. Knowing the temperature, wind speed, and direction, and the sky condition will help you interpret the possible weather condition. Thank you, Teacher Reza and Toby. I know that kids understand and enjoy our lesson.
That's right, Chloe. It's really an amazing learning adventure we have today.
I am happy to hear that, Chloe and Toby. I know that learners can fully understand our science adventure and can answer their module correctly. Kids, always remember that it is important to learn science because it helps us understand the world around us. As what Marie Curie said, nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more so that we may fear less. Again, it's me, Teacher Reza, Chloe,
And Tabby.
your Science 4 Learning Adventurer. Till next time, bye!
Goodbye.